Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make authentic French onion soup using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 6 large yellow onions, some good quality butter and olive oil, rich beef broth, and a dry white wine. Don't forget a fresh baguette and plenty of Gruyere cheese for the topping. A few sprigs of fresh thyme and bay leaves will complete our aromatic base. This recipe is straightforward and yields delicious results. The secret to incredible French onion soup lies in perfectly caramelized onions. Begin by thinly slicing about 6 large yellow onions. In a heavy-bottomed pot, melt 4 tablespoons of butter with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add your sliced onions and cook them very slowly over medium-low heat. This process takes about 45 to 60 minutes, allowing the onions to transform into a beautiful, deep golden brown sweetness. Patience here truly pays off for rich flavor. Once your onions are beautifully caramelized, it's time to build the soup's liquid base. Carefully pour in 1 cup of dry white wine, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom of the pot. This deglazing step adds incredible depth. Next, add 6 cups of rich beef broth, 2 bay leaves, and a sprig of fresh thyme. Let the soup simmer gently for at least 30 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld together perfectly. Now for the grand finale, the iconic cheesy topping. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Ladle the hot, aromatic soup into individual oven-safe bowls. Top each bowl with a few slices of toasted baguette, ensuring they soak up some of that delicious broth. Then, generously cover the bread with about 1 cup of freshly grated Gruyere cheese. Broil for a few minutes until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.